If you have a garden of your own, you are very, very lucky. If you're like me, then you buy your produce from a farmer who grows their own. And I don't care who you are or where you are, there is nothing better than homegrown vegetables. So let's get started with this meal by shucking some corn. I'm going to make some cornbread to go with all these delicious vegetables. And I'll have all the ingredients and instructions in the show more section below. I'm going to marinate some steaks. I'm just putting a dry rub on these with some oil. And these are ribeye. Cornbread's done. And I like my cornbread thin and crunchy, and this is perfect. And now I'm going to get some potatoes chopped up. I'll also be frying those. And now I'm going to chop up the zucchini and dip that in a breading mixture and fry that as well. And for the green tomatoes today, I'm just going to coat them in a simple flour, salt, and pepper and egg mixture. I've also sliced up some red tomatoes and some cucumbers, and I'm ready to eat. This is a tasty vegetable and steak feast. Cornbread, ribeye steak, zucchini, fried green tomatoes, red tomatoes, cucumber, corn on the cob, and fried potatoes, all thanks to my local farmer. As always, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to go enjoy this now, and I'll see you next time.